ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Hare Krishna, Hare. So this is Govinda Kunda, where Krishna was Indra performed Abhishek, meaning bathing. You know why? Because he committed offense, and by sending heavy rain. Sambartak, or what is the name? Because Krishna caused his father stop in the job. So we know there is a Bhagavad Gita. Who can tell one verse that the result of worshipping demigod and worshipping Bhut or forefathers and Krishna? Everybody? So, what is the meaning? Who will tell?
Those who worship forefathers, they go to forefathers. Those who worship ghosts, they go to ghosts. Those who worship demigods, they go to demigods. Those who worship me, they come to my abode.
What is the difference between going to other place and Krishna's abode? Who will tell? Vikas, bolo. If we go to Krishna's abode and go to demigod's abode, what is the difference? Listen, everybody.
If we go to Krishna's abode, we don't come back.
I go to other demigod? Yes. Have you everybody heard?
Yes.
Yes. What is there in front? We can see? Govardhan. And Govardhan has got two features. He has got two aspects regarding his identity. He has got two aspects. Who can tell? Raise hand. He tell Kitida. Huh?
Krishna himself and Sevak.
Everybody heard? He is Krishna himself, non-defined, also Krishna Sevak. How many Krishna has got Sevak special? Three Sevak. What is Govardhan's place?
Number one.
He is the first. What is the other two? Who can tell? Each one tell one. And other one? Right, right. So, sometimes it said, Goswamis, I desire so that I can live near Govardhan. There is a ISKCON made a Prabhupada also said, I want to do Govardhan Parikram. But the devotee had got conflict. Some saw if Prabhupada goes, I saw Prabhupada has got on his skin like a sheet of cloth and bone. I know Prabhupada is at the point of no return. So थोड़ा पानी तो पीने का. So devotees had got conflict and some devotees said, Prabhupada, please you cannot go, I knew something will happen to you. In other words, Prabhupada said, sometime do Govardhan Parikram, so you are doing. I know I cannot do complete now, I have got because of a bone, operation in here. So whatever I can I am doing. So the Goswamis used to do, regarding story of Govardhan, used to do Parikram. Even Sanatana Goswami at the age of almost 80 around, he was doing Govardhan Parikram. So God, Krishna, Araha, Krishna and the devotee have got loving exchange, yes? Regarding Sanatana Goswami, so happened when Sanatana Goswami was doing in a day at the age of 80, maybe twice. So it has got lot of significance of why you come to Guru Purnima, maybe you cannot walk so packed up. You cannot go from this side of the road. Highest. And otherwise, in general, from Ekadashi to Purnima, people come. Many people also distribute prasad. You see, some are saying, one lady I saw saying, prasad, khichdi. Some are doing. Anyway, more important thing is Sanatana Goswami's thing is Sanatana Goswami maybe saw in a dream Krishna feeling for his devotee Sanatan. Why at the age of 80 you are already Siddha, you have already achieved perfection. You go back to God in bhakti. Why you are doing all this? This is the love quarrel between lover and beloved. No, I have to do this thing every day, twice. This is rule, regulation. Actually, people think if you complete Govardhan, of course, anywhere in the spiritual world, Krishna fulfilled all of this. So we should not our goal should be only to go back to God. Or getting pure bhakti, pure love of God. So, Sanatana Goswami says, no, this is rule regulation. For bhaktas, one of the rule regulation, those who do bhajan, one of the most important things. Even Radharani didn't want to come to Vrindavan from the spiritual world. When Krishna said, I am going to Vrindavan, what about you, you are coming? Radharani said, no, I am not going there. Unless there is, you arrange for Kalindi there, they won't do harm, just try to manage. So, Krishna won't go unless Radharani goes, and Radharani is saying, you arrange, I won't go unless there is Govardhan, unless there is Kalindi there. Because this is pastime places. And how Govardhan came here, that also there is a story. And another is, this is the Madhavendra stories that place. Krishna came to give milk, often we discuss.
Yes.
This is a very sweet story. So, here, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, who can be so fortunate like Madhavendra Puri? Krishna himself is coming to feed him. There's so many pastime places there around this. That is Madhavendra story. And Sanatana Goswami said, no, I have to do. Then Krishna said, no, stop. I give you this stone with the footprint of mine. The stone is still there. If you go to Jiva Prabhupada's Radha Damodar temple, that stone is still there with the footprints big. They will show you, give little money, otherwise they cover it up. Now the footprints of Krishna, big footprint. Some places small footprint. Just like Kamovan if you go. Kamovan means forest where you fulfill all your desire. And many things are there. Bimala Kunda, we take bath. Last year anybody went, you remember? Nice Bimala Kunda. And around. So anyway, to make it short, how the Govardhan came, that is also a nice story. It's good to discuss all these things here, then you get my highest benefit of bhakti. So this is Govardhan. The Madhavendra Puri came, he is everywhere chanting, dancing in ecstasy. When he came to Vrindavan in ecstasy, the Vrindavan, one of the two most important things, one is Govardhan, many pastime, and one is Jamuna. And the Goswamis will be crying in feeling separation. Where is Radharani? Where is Nanda Maharaj? Where is darling of Nanda Maharaj? He Braja Devi ke, He Radhe Braja Devi ke. Famous saying of Goswami Astak. The whole Queen of Vrindavan, Radharani, where are you? Oh Krishna, darling of Nanda Maharaj, where are you? Oh, the great Sakhi of, great friend of Radharani, Lalita. Oh Vishakha, where are you? They are main Sakhi of Radharani. Where are you? Are you on the bank of Kalindi now, Jamuna, or on the foothills of Govardhan? Govardhan used to be very high previously. It's all gone. Somebody said they are digging up to check it. Actually, we are now on Govardhan's feet. Why? What happened is Govardhan is going down. Supposed to be much higher, for much longer. And somebody was digging. Somebody told me 300 or somebody, a few hundred meters they dig up. They don't find any water, only finding stone. That means Govardhan underneath. Understand? And go every sesame seed or some say mustard seed, every day going down, going down, going down. The Govardhan is not defined from Krishna and a Sevak. So once one said, some say Augusta Rishi was somewhere. Pulasta. Some book I heard yesterday, I saw something else. He said from the spiritual world. Some say he is the son of another mountain. That mountain name I forgot. What is that? No. So somewhere some island. So many islands we cannot see. According to Srimad Bhagavatam. From that island, he thought he is taking to, as I read there, he's taking to Kashi. So on his condition is, Govardhan says, he asked his father, can I take your son? I love Govardhan, I want to take him Kashi. He said, he did some service, he great sage. Okay, you take my son Raji. Son said, okay, I'll go, but one condition. What is that? You cannot stop. If somewhere you stop, for any reason, nature is called this, that, then I won't go. And the rishi is very powerful. He said, okay, little boy, for him, come in my hand, powerful. And Govardhan came, maybe he can become small also. So he taking him, going. And Govardhan could understand here in Vrindavan, this Juga is another Juga. Krishna will have a very sweet pastime, many with Radharani, gopis, gops, many. This is the top place for pastime place of Krishna. Krishna never leave this place. Oh, something could happen here so that he stopped there and I won't go. He is planning like this. It so happened, Krishna fulfilled the desire of his devotee. So when he came, some say, like the Rishi going, Rishi has to stop for maybe nature's. Huh?
Prakriti dark.
So when he stopped, after some time he finishing his job, business, he is going to come on, Govardhan. Govardhan won't go. What? Come on, he is forcing him. Govardhan is also powerful. Govardhan is nothing but Krishna. He won't come. Both of them have a tug of war, but Govardhan won't go. Govardhan is, I am saying, now it's condition. We told you that you cannot stop somewhere. Actually, his desire is to stay here. Krishna fulfilled. So he tried, he got very angry. I curse you. Okay, you curse. He said, no kutascha vibhuti. One who is a devotee of, real devotee of Krishna, he is not scared of anybody. No kutascha vibhuti. This way you can judge yourself how much you become a devotee. If somebody is doing injustice, he may be powerful. He is not scared. You know, Krishna Sudarshan Chakra or Krishna is there behind him. If you surrender to Krishna, Krishna will protect you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some are not saying. Right. They are not completely silent.
Maybe, maybe not.
Huh?
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe not. Doubtful. Hey, bhai.
Katha chalne to.
Doubtful. He said, but doubtful, what happened? Bhagavad Gita said, who can tell? Sangshyata vinasati. You don't know what will be your destiny. Better not have samsara. Complete faith. Haribo. So, what happened?
That he cursed Govardhan.
The cars go down. So every day Govardhan is going one till sesame seed down. According to the scripture, Govardhan has got much more longer dimension and higher. And it's supposed to be many fountains where Krishna will be drinking water, cows, others, many caves, many dyes. Krishna will be, his friends will be dying in so. Krishna in Vrindavan, our temple, so many dyes, painting, face, this, that.
Colorful.
Color. So many types of fruits, trees, grass. So Govardhan is doing so much service. That's why Govardhan is a great sevak of Krishna. Another feature is like that. And Prabhupada in absolute platform, there is no difference between God, Krishna and his devotee. Where is Krishna, there must be devotee. Where is devotee, there must be Krishna. And in between another devotional service. These three things are nitya. That is the difference between impersonal is us. Impersonal is, say, do Krishna puja, 5 types of puja they do. Sun, God, Ganesh, Lord Shiva, Lakshmi, I don't know Lakshmi. Maybe Durga, and maybe Lord. They do, after that they say it's not necessary. I become one with them. Now this is not our philosophy. This is not chutti. I have passed exam, go to spiritual world. No, Baba. You go to the spiritual again do service. Anyway, what he said? But our case, bhakti means devotional service, loving service. Krishna and devotee are eternal. That means when you go back to spiritual, again do service. Again you allow ISKCON. Maybe Prabhupada said, maybe we are all before met, before we had also did. But this is not complete, again you have come here and doing. Now you see somebody come from different places. How you are together, eating, going together. Or say maybe past we did. No. And what happened about, then he stayed here. Then he couldn't take him to Kashi. This is his story. Sanatan story, huh?
Any curse.
Any caste, I told you. And Sanatan story is that then Lord gave him, he said, you don't have to go now, Now you do parikrama this few times. So it is still there. Those who cannot do Govardhan parikrama go and do their the 4 times to the DT, inside the DT room there. And the parikrama anybody can do. This path is there. There are many other stories. Whatever I remember, I am telling. Any other story? Our Madhavendra Guru stories, Madhavendra Puri was chanting, dancing in ecstasy. This is called advanced devotee. Deho Buddhi Najar, one who forgot his bodily demands. Most important bodily demand is eating and sleeping. More you eat, more you sleep, and actually become like Kumbhakarna. Eat so much and sleep also 6 months. So advanced devotee means he is not forcing. Advanced devotee means he cut down his eating and cut down his sleeping. And rest time he is not sitting. He is doing his bhajan, more japa, more harikatha hearing. But that is the symptom of the devotee. That Krishna says, symptom of pure devotee, Bhagavad Gita, who will tell? Then there is loving exchange. What Krishna? So give him. Meaning? No? Mean.
Show them special mercy, eyes within their hearts, dispel the ignorance which shines.
That is next sloka. That is Tesham Sadhujitam Bhajatam Tesham Eva Anukampartha. I feel compassion. So I can know why Krishna is not compassion for us. Because we are doing officially. No Priti Purvakam. Not always also. Sometimes maybe newspaper. So many things.
WhatsApp.
Sometimes fast, huh?
WhatsApp.
Express.
Mobile WhatsApp,
Oh,
internet.
Mobile, internet. So it is all Krishna is watching, your attachment. Again come back here with mobile, do like this, and internet do like this. In spiritual life, no necessary of mobile. In spiritual life, no newspaper. Yes? So we have to see how much you have developed attachment to Krishna and anything related to Krishna. Krishna's dham, Krishna's form, Krishna's beauty, Krishna's pastime, Krishna katha, serving Krishna. When more attached to this is nothing but same thing we do in the material world, and we become detached from it. That is why 2 verses very important other than pure devotional service. That is, one is prapanchikitaya buddha. Anything you think material is not material if you use it in Krishna's service. Somebody says, no, I become renounced, leave mother, father, wife, children. No, not necessary. Anybody where he is, he can become a pure devotee. Man, no man, sweeping floor, anybody. You don't have to. Just do pure devotional service. There are two verses. Please tell each of them one, ladies one and men one. Then said, only bhakti, with bhakti, not by gyan, by karma, by yoga. Only by bhakti one can understand. Who can tell that verse? Another Bhagavad Gita chapter, sub-chapter is saying, only by bhakti one can understand. Tattva is very important. Everybody is saying tattva. You must know the truth. Know the truth. How it is said, how Krishna let you know his name, form, roop. Can anybody? What it means? It means if you are bhogi, if you want to be lord over material nature, then you cannot understand Krishna. When Krishna, Indriya means there are want to lord over material nature and want to enjoy material nature, he cannot understand Krishna. Krishna reveals himself to someone when you have know all these things. You just want to be enjoyed at once in the spiritual platform. Because Krishna is the predominator. Krishna is the only Purusha, enjoyer. We are not enjoyer. As long as this mood is there, you cannot understand Krishna. Is that clear? Otherwise you are a material platform, a neophyte devotee. You worship deity, that's all. You cannot understand. You cannot feel the presence of Krishna. One who can feel the presence of Krishna by thinking I am to be enjoyed by Krishna. Then he can understand Krishna. He can feel presence of Krishna. He can understand, he can realize the Dham, it is Dham. Dham, one of the symptoms is, whatever you think at once you realize. More you are advanced. I want a glass of water. You find glass of water is coming to you. You are not going to. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Very simple. You cannot do by book, reading books and proctor. You cannot by copying others eat little. Unless you really, then nobody is there, you 20 gulab jam. And one who realizes I am not this body is there, 20 gulab jam, 50 gulab jam. You just take little. Nobody is watching. But Krishna is watching, you know. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody is saying yes?
Yes.
Some is not saying. To make it clear, Baba. These are very important. So Madhavendra Puri forget his bodily divine, eating for days, maybe 3-4. This is material world. Material world. Prabhupada said, at night, previously used to be fire brigade. Prabhupada said, Newark, dung, 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 at night. What is this? This is material world. Dung, 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 what now? Bah, 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 bah. You cannot sleep. This is India. Copying Western civilization. Previously simple life, so nice. Now they are going back their simple life, we are copying. Fool, nutcase. But ISKCON devotees are not fool, they are intelligent. Yes?
Yes.
Most fortunate, Prabhupada said, maybe in the whole world. So, Madhavendra Puri is forgetting, eating, sleeping, and because he is getting so much ecstasy by chanting, dancing, sometimes rolling on the ground, he does not know when is day, when is night. And when he came here, and chanting, maybe doing also japa, at one point he is falling little asleep. Anyway, suddenly found a little cowherd boy came. There is a village called Anayor, previously different name. There he said, brought, hey Baba, some milk. Hey Baba, here devotee come do all this drama. Very nice. Take this milk. Why you brought milk? Now you are fasting for days or starving. What's it? Proper English. Fasting for days. In our village, sadhu cannot fast. We always, our ladies are, they always giving prasad. So how do you know I am fasting? The ladies here coming here, village, they are taking whatever this sadhu is not coming for some food. Still now you go to some village, I am not getting down from car and going. I thought, going there, hungry. You simply say near the door and say, Radhe Sam. That means you express your presence as a sadhu. You want something. She won't say. She simply come one girl, young girl or a housewife or some boy, hey Baba, hey now. Some chapati, some buttermilk or some maybe they don't eat chapati with something, either some pickle, maybe chili, very hot, or maybe lemon pickle, mango pickle, mostly hot. Anyway, they are happy. They are called Madhukari. Get from 2-3 places, particular, and take home and they eat. So he said, you didn't come. Okay, very nice of you. Who are you? I am coming from the village. I have to go for milking, so I am going soon. No, wait for the pot. But he said, no, I am in a hurry. No. Then both are talking, suddenly so he disappeared. I am coming back after milk, I have no time. He drank the milk. After a little while, he fell drowsy. Then in a dream, he saw the same boy came. You know, Madhavendra, I am coming here. I am waiting. महाराज की जय, सब महाराज को स्वागत की जाए। गोपाल कृष्ण महाराज की, इस्कॉन जीबीसी की, इस्कॉन दिल्ली वृंदावन जात्रा की, गौर प्रेमानंदे, समस्त भक्त भक्तिन की। So this is happening. You see, this is becoming Vaikuntha now.
Yes.
Now where there is, it is said, wherever there is devotee, that is Vaikuntha, that is Vrindavan. Wherever there is chanting, devotees are chanting, dancing, that is. Any example? Advaita Acharya's house, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went. And even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I want to go to Vrindavan. Then Advaita Acharya will say, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, you tricked him, he cheated me, Nityananda told me lie. He's saying this is Vrindavan. No, Chitta didn't say this is not Vrindavan. This is Jamuna is flowing. One side Ganga, one side Jamuna. He took bath in Jamuna side. So that is Vrindavan. Where is Jamuna? The Vrindavan. I said, no. Where you come from? I want to take you to my house. Oh, this is Shantibo. Because his consciousness is Vrindavan. And Nityananda, before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, Nityananda told the boys in before, if some sadhu coming and ask, which way Vrindavan, you tell this way go. Very nice pastime. And then he also said, Advaita said, Prabhu, wherever you are, that is Vrindavan. It's true, wherever Krishna is, that Vrindavan. That's Boli Maharaj. The Indra got a kingdom, but Boli got Sutal. But Sutal, Krishna, the Lord said, Vamandev, now I have to give you something. He won't take, because devotee won't take anything except service. So Sutal turned into a spiritual world because Lord said, I will go there, become your gatekeeper, carry out your order. I will give myself to you, which I didn't give. So we can see, if you give something Krishna, what Krishna can give you. If you give everything to Krishna, Krishna can give you anything and everything. That is what Prabhupada said to one of his disciples. One day he asked, I like this sloka, Je Jatha Mam Prabodhante, please explain. And he suddenly said, you give everything to Krishna. See what Krishna can give. Krishna can give you anything and everything. But you have to have faith. You don't have faith. You give something to Krishna and see. Let me say, what Krishna give? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is good. So this way you can test ourselves, how much I am a devotee, what sort of devotee I am, how much I am progressing. Because Krishna is complete, so he expects
Complete surrender.
complete surrender. Complete surrender you want. Demand. Now this is a jewel, this freedom he is testing. Actually we don't have freedom. You have to. If moment you complete surrender, then no. Hare Krishna. They have got mic, so we have to leave. Because mic will subdue our. What is the use of staying? So what next? So Madhavendra, so he in a dream, Krishna came. This may be happening still now. Don't think that it happened there. Those who are fortunate, they won't tell. They may tell his guru, I saw in a dream this, that. So anyway, that Madhavendra Puri, in a dream, and Krishna told, I am Giridhari. You are my devotee. I am long time waiting. When the Muslim or the Jaban Mleccha came, in fear of them, the Pujari, priest, put me in this bush, somewhere here must be. Between Govardhan and he was maybe somewhere there, he was doing his bhajan. And Krishna came. Now they made this thing new, because many they make new to get something, you understand. Vallabhacharya came here, maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here. It is good. Where Krishna has pastime, we go there and discuss those pastimes, relish it, so that we easily develop attachment to this place. So you like here?
Yes.
This is attachment. You like to come again?
Yes.
This means attachment. You again take something, you become attached. If a Bengali, I tell you one story. Once, his guru said he went somewhere, very risky, fighting going on. So sometime he went, some or other risky place. He was going through near the border, they caught him. They say, you prove yourself, you came legally. So he showed something, took it away, that's not the passport, then put him under detention, almost like a jail. With his one boy, they are not getting proper food, prasad. Then one of them taking glucose to give energy. And he won't take prison. One day, his boy, after 1 or 2, 3 days, his tears coming. He is preaching to that country's people, young boys, those who are very young, and take rich people's money and give to the poor, all college students. And they helped him. He cannot sleep, so they helped him. Come here, sleep. And jailer. So, what happened to you? They say, Maharaj, you are Bengali. How without rice you can eat? You are eating something, powder. They say, you are Bengali. When you came to Krishna, what first lesson we learned? You are not this body. That means I am not Chinese. I am not Pakistani, I am not Hindu, Muslim, all this. I am
Spirit soul.
spirit soul. I am eternal. Prabhupada said one place, essence of Krishna consciousness, I am eternal servant of Krishna. That is essence of Krishna. In one word, one sentence. Jeev Jago, cold water. So this is the case. Maharaj is saying, Harikathamrit. The Gopi, what he says about Krishna Katha, Tabo Kathamritam. Everything related to Krishna is like nectar. Bhakti is nectar. Krishna Katha is nectar. But to us, maybe Krishna Prasad is nectar? Yeah? If not nectar, at least. Very nice. This much advancement we make. But we have got a long way to go. We should pray here. Govardhan. Please, when they will come, 24 hours I will be chanting like Madhavendra Puri. At least something I can give. Gain of dust of Madhavendra Puri, I can forget my body. I am not man, woman. I am not sannyasi, doctor, engineer, in charge, XYZ. I am not Indian, Pakistani, Bengali. I am spirit soul. They have got mic now. Yes. They are translating.
Russian.
Ruski, Achin Harso. I just came from Russia. Maharaj was just behind me came. I asked the temple president, please pay my obeisances to Maharaj when he come. Quite a few places, country I went. He said, I don't have to tell him. He already phoned and said, he's to work for Maharaj. Yeah. He's going when he came, all message. Just this morning doing Arati, he said, Subhag, I am going to Govardhan, Parikrama. Why don't you come with me? I have got car. Then I said, Maharaj, I will follow you. But we have got soul vehicle. We'll follow you. So every time you go, according to sincerity, wherever you are paying obeisance, to the DT, pastime places, always pray to that place. Just here you should ask Govardhan, I can pay pure bhakti, please give me. And devotees are very, he said, fulfill all desire. Who can tell the sloka? Vancha kalpataru vacha kripa sindhu vaye vacha patitara pavanebho vaishnavebho namaha. Vancha kalpataru, they are like a desert tree. Who knows, they may be desert tree. You will find Parikrama place. When you are going there, when Gauriya Math come after, before Radhakunda, Shyamkunda, where is the Kunja Bihari Gauriya Math, Bhakti Siddhanta, turning point, entering to Radhakunda. There is a turning point, just maybe within from here to there, like that, 100 yards. And there is written, be aware, a great sage, this tree, don't do any harm to this. They are not as big as this, little smaller. So we don't know what are all these because of that. They are all devotees, even an ant, even a dog. So be careful. So Madhavendra Puri, Krishna told that, so I am long time, I have not been bathed, I am feeling warm. Can you, with the help of village people, tell that your lord of your village is here and help to bring me out from the dirt of the bush? And then bathe me, place me in Govardhan. Before this Sankarshan Kunda, you saw some white building. He is saying that is the original place. Now this deity has been taken down by Vallabhacharya to Rajasthan, somewhere near Udaipur. It's called Nathdwara. Because there Gopal has another name, is called Nathji, Srinathji. Why is called Srinathji? Who can explain? What is the name, meaning of Srinath? Lord of? Master of Sri. Sri means? Lakshmi. So that is why it's called Srinath. Sometimes devotees are given the name Srinath Das. But Prabhupada sometimes, you are not Srinath. You are not this. What? You are Srinath Das. Don't think yourself. We sometimes forget that, yes? Somebody is giving Radhika. She may be thinking, oh, I am something very special. No, you are Das of Radha. Of course that is special. Then after that, so what happened? They called the people, they brought some Kudali, shuffle, they dig out. They found here something there, Krishna. That deity is still there. It was here, Vallabhacharya took it away. It is called Nathdwara. If you go to Rajasthan, we last time went, it was quite far from there. Almost Rajasthan-Gujarat border. You go by train or bus.
From Jaipur 200 kilometers.
From Jaipur 200. That is why that time you can go. You went to Jaipur, many of you?
Yes.
Last time, nice place. We saw Govindaji. Overseas. This Govindaji, Radha Govinda is our worshipable deity. We have got 3 deities, our worshipable Gauriya. Who can tell? Each one tell one. Radha first,
Radha
Madan Mohan, then
Govinda, Radha Gopinath.
Okay. Each of them has significance. Give us something. Who can tell which?
Sambandha, Radha Madan Mohan Sambandha.
Then?
Radha Govinda Dev, Abhidev. Then Radha Gopinath, Prayojan.
What is Obidoy and Prayojan?
Abhidev is, Prayojan is Krishna Prem, Prabhupada. And Abhidev is acting.
Prayojan, what is required? Required developing prem, love of God. You become mad after Krishna. Now you are mad after sense grat. That is material platform. But you using the senses to Krishna's service, at once there is bhakti. Yes? But the difference between yogi is artificially controlling senses. We are giving our senses some engagement hour, serving Krishna. So, till we are not engaging all our senses mind, any moment we can be carried away by Maya. Is that clear?
Yes.
Even great devotees, they become drifted away from this path because of this. What is that? 3 things in short. Bhakti Sadhu, who is a Vaishnava? There he is saying, see how much you have become free from this attraction of wealth, attraction opposite gender, attraction Pratishtha, means profit, adoration, distinction. Is that clear? Yes. And this way you can know how much you become a Vaishnava or Vaishnavi and how much you are close to Krishna. So Bhaktivedanta Thakur said, as much as you are near to Krishna or devotional service pure, that much you are away from Maya. And as much you are absorbed in Maya, deep, that much you are away from Krishna. Is that clear? Yes. Yes. You have to know all these things. Simply book like a parrot saying, but not know where I am situated, what sort of devotee. Am I neophyte devotee? Simply know this deity is God and believe Him. More advanced is, how many types of devotee in general? 3 types. Name? Kanishta, Madhyam, Uttam. What is the symptom of Kanishta Adhikar? He simply know deity is God and he a devotee come, he doesn't care for him. But a Madhyamadikari at once he will take care of more for the devotee. So, what are the fourth symptom of the Madhyamadikari? Nila Lakshmi, what is saying? Vata.
God is worshipable.
What is saying?
God is worshipable.
God must be
God is worshipable.
worshipable, yes. Develop love of God. And then, what is the other three? Hey, listen. So, how far you went? Baba. Madhyamadikari, other three symptoms, tell. Each one tell one.
He avoids the envious people. He avoids the envious people.
Yes, those who are envious of Krishna, envious of devotee, envious of devotion are avoided. What are the other two?
Compassion
What?
to yourself.
Compassion. How?
Give knowledge.
We have faith in Krishna also.
Okay, right. What is the other symptom? Make friendship with the equal devotee. Good, very good. And last is Uttamadikari. He is like a Paramahansa. Paramahansa means he can everywhere see the whatever he sees, he can separate the spirit and matter. He is hungry, he may take just little something. That's all.
Don't worry, this mountain is not going to fall from my hand.
Oh, I see. With that story I said, the Maharaj is doing in a dramatic way. It's more interesting. Come on! No, I won't go. Jayapataka Maharaj also does, dramatic. Ah! If you like it. And some do drama also. And this way you can remember. Oh, Krishna.
7 days.
That story telling.
Light up all the clouds.
Sambartha cloud. Huh? And does inundation. Inundation. Because Prabhupada said, this what we are seeing, there will be one time, sun will be, everything will go dry. Sun will be 12 times hotter than this. And everything will go dry. There will be no water. There will be no vegetation. There will be no green, everything dry. They don't know what to eat. 100 years will remain like this. The time will come, after that, 100 years heavy rain. Everything again flooded. That, who does that? That is a Samvarta cloud. That they did to Brajavasi, Indra's order. Then Indra become, say he cannot do, it requires Krishna only that his little finger to crush his pride.
Why did they apologize? So he did a big abhishek
Let us hear
for the Supreme Lord.
Sadhu Sangha. He's doing Russian language, I think, huh? Any Russians here? Surabhi cows. Not only this, Surabhi cow came and with that milk they bathed, Indra bathed Krishna. So we are also bathing now in Govardhan, Krishna, to please. And when you go back there also do the same. Here, this is devotional service is nothing but non-different from the spiritual world. If you do purely devotion, as good as you are in the spiritual realm, as good as
Demigods came, Brahma, Shiva, and all the
they also came to me. GBC also online is doing arati. Kya baat lala. So how far you went? Maybe Maharaj won't stop many places. One, two, important. This one important. Everybody is stopping. Then what happened? Then after that they made it platform. He said some stone, so that on the top you saw, before there is a lake, you saw Sankarshan Kund. Before that, you saw on top there is a white building. That was the temple they made for the deity. And when he was doing the worship, one day in the scorching heat, the deity said to him, to Madhavendra Puri, Madhavendra, I feel still hot, so I'll have a big feast, you know that. That village people will bring, and Krishna is saying, bring more, more, more. And they will also give prasad. Lots of chapati, rice, halwa, whatever may be the sweet they have got. Krishna said, bring more, more. That is in Hindi called Anayor, Anayor, Bengali. That is why the village is called Anayor village. The Krishna came to that village. And then coming to know all these things, other village people say, bring their deity, we will also have Annakut. Govardhan Puja, Annakut means mountain. Sing. With Anna, Anna means also food, Anna means also rice. So with this making, and ISKCON, few days ago they made, you saw, and everybody distributed prasad. They make Radha Kund, Sham Kund with the, maybe the sweet, Govardhan. Some places they make with cow dung, village, and distribute sweet, and it's big feast, kirtan, bhajan.